Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the super bottom stash that I have for my baby. So welcome back to yet another video. My name is Vinita, so let's get into the topic. This I have been stocking from when he was like 1 month old, and it's been a year since I did a new purchase. So the prints whatever I am showing today may not be available in their website, but obviously they will come up with new prints every now and then. So first let me start with the cover diapers. This is the very first free size diaper I bought, and the print is known as Purple Love. You can see there are cute designs in it. The tab color is light blue. The buttons are also blue in color. This print is, I guess, named as Superheroes. There are cute superhero designs in it. You can see that. Base color is actually white, tabs are blue, and buttons are all red in color. People who like very light colors will like this print. This is Baby Talk. Wordings related to babies are printed all over on that red base, with white tabs and red buttons. The wordings are very cute actually. This is one of my favorites and is known as Periwinkle. The base color is blue in shade and it's very soothing to our eyes also. Flowers are printed all over with lavender tabs, even buttons also. This is Sugar Rush. Base color is white and you can see chocolates, toffees printed all over. Tabs are brown and buttons are also brown. So that's all on the cover. Let me show you now the pocket diaper, which is Uno. This is my very first pocket diaper and they call it as Uno. The tabs, which is red in color, is non-AC tabs, which is the older version. Now they don't have this. Now they have only EC tabs, which you saw in the cover diaper initially. This print is known as Ikat Love. The Ikat print you can see all over there, and the color combination and this print all together gives a very good and vibrant design actually. It's one of the all-time favorite print among the mothers. This is Cherry Blossom. This print, which is very light shade in base, and the flowers are based on the flower Sakura, which is popular in Japan. The tabs are also pink, even buttons as well. Base is actually very light pink. This is Wally. The Wally painting designs are printed all over. Base is off-white, tabs are yellow and buttons are green. This is Poopy Face. Funny poo prints are all over. Base is bright lemon yellow, tabs are lavender and buttons are orange. This print is known as Gulmohar. Obviously, as the name says, it is based on our Gulmohar flowers. Base is white, tabs are fluorescent green and buttons are orange. This is also very nice print. Baby Talk again, which is same as you saw in cover diapers. This actually I got it as gift and hence I couldn't choose a different print. But yes, this is also nice. In cover diaper, the look and feel will be different, and here it will be different, so it's fine. This is Fruit Burst based on fruits theme. So many fruit prints are there all over. Base color is very light golden brown or a different shade of orange we can see. In video, the color is slightly changed. Tabs are also similar with green buttons. This is Christmas Love. Base color is sky blue with Christmas theme based prints all over. Tabs are red and buttons are green. This also is one of my favorites. It's very good. The color is very good, very light. Hope you like my video. Stay tuned for more such videos, and thank you for now. Take care. Bye bye.